Here is the new little rolling ball sculpture I made. Let's see, here's the tiny little ball. There we go. And the track is actually one that I had made before. I just kind of like took the track and made a different frame for it, and that seems to be good. Let's try it again. You can see it's really tiny. And the ball sometimes gets stuck at the top, but that's something I gotta figure out, I guess. But I like having these big, thick standards holding it up, and then little bitty rungs. I did them at a 45 so that it would make the printing not need supports. So basically the only supports I put was on the very bottom so it didn't stick to the build plate. But other than that, there's no supports. There you are.